Hello my little Evan, so today I'll be unboxing this stainless steel Tiffin cook set. It is by the company Summit, and that is very nice. What you've done with the M, Summit. So, this is a 6-piece set, even though it just looks like 2 because there's, but no, I'm reading upside down, so there's all durable stainless steel, it's made of that. There's a 1,200 milliliters of cook pan. There's also an 800 milliliter cook pan. There's 2 pans. There's a cook pan lid, knife with a bottle opener on it, there. And there's a fork and spoon. So, we're going to open it. I actually really want to open it because it looks nice. So, yay. Get out. It's out. It looks so nice. There's this plastic thing on it, so. Yeah, we got it. Oh my god. Oh, this is the handle, you know. You want some soup? The cutlery is inside. Oh my god. Ew. There's this. Ooh, this looks nice. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so tiny. I thought it would be like much bigger. I thought it was like inside of here, but they made it so tiny. It's so cute. So here, this is the 800. What is this? Do you know what this is? Cause CEO, you know? Yeah, okay. Looks like a person, you know. So I think this is like holding all the cutlery, you know. So we got the bottle opener. I can just pretend my finger is a bottle opener. How do you, yeah, like that. Okay, so this is the knife. How are you supposed to use this? Can you please explain to me how you use? I know it's a bottle opener, but how do you cut stuff? Because nice spoon, nice fork. Is that nice? Okay, so now we got the pan. Oh my god, nice sound. This is the handle. You could do this too. And it also fits. Ooh, and this also fits inside. See, so when we go on camping, we can like get this, like, get it here. We can, I think this is what it's for. I don't know. So, just put all the stuff inside and put the pan on, the lid, I mean, then do that, and do that. Now we're going camping, boys. Bye. Well, not bye yet, because I need to discuss something. So, here, just want to say something about this pan. Like, the handle is much more bigger than this one, and I know why this one is kind of like curved, because it has to clip on to this surface. So, what do you want? These are cute. But then if you like this one's, you have to like wiggle it to like make it go down. So now we're going camping. Put all our cutlery inside, even this little thing. And now we're going camping now. Get on you. We're going. So, before we go camping, thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.